3, 2, 1.
Which household item can be used for measuring liquid ingredients? The answer is A. Cup. What class of organisms help decompose matter to release nutrients and make nutritious food for other organisms? The answer is B. Fungi. According to the 2000 census, Buffalo is the second largest city in New York. What city is number 3? The answer is D. Rochester. The partial pressure of each gas in a mixture is proportional to its what? The answer is D. Mole fraction. Besides increasing the potential, how else can you increase current in a circuit? The answer is D. Decreasing the resistance. Why do electronegativities decrease from top to bottom? The answer is A. Larger atomic size. Metal is sometimes what? The answer is C. Polar opposite. What is the meaning of the name of the constellation Corona Borealis? The answer is A. Northern Crown. Isotopes have the same number of protons and electrons, but a different number of what? The answer is A. Neutrons. What type of reaction is a synthesis reaction? The answer is A. Decomposition. What has hands but cannot clap? The answer is B. Clock. What do ocean mollusks use to absorb oxygen from the water? The answer is D. Gills. What is the addition of oxygen to a molecule or the removal of hydrogen from a molecule called?
The answer is D. Oxidation.
I'm known for a tale of two cities, yet was never a city dweller. Who am I? The answer is A. Charles Dickens. What animal became one of the symbols of the island and state of Tasmania? The answer is A. Tasmanian devil. Which river runs through the city of Rio de Janeiro? The answer is A. Rio Grande. When did Gerald Ford take the oath of office? The answer is A. August 1974. In 1987, North Carolina State University defeated what team in the longest basketball game of the year, played in the Atlantic Coast Conference Tournament? The answer is C. Wake Forest. What's the world's largest pumpkin? The answer is D. 3,000 kg. What was the first name of Major Burns' wife on the show M*A*S*S*H? The answer is D. Louise. A soil in a village seems to be nutrient deficient. What might have happened? The answer is D. There has been too much cultivation. What was the name of the rogue electrician that Kramer recommended to George on the sitcom Seinfeld? The answer is B. Slippery Pete. Who sings the song Bohemian Rhapsody? The answer is A. Freddie Mercury. Which artist is known for his Starry Night Over the Rhone? The answer is A. Vincent van Gogh. What is it that you can write with without picking up a pen? The answer is A. A thought. Which economic indicator measures the total value of all finished goods and services produced within a country during a specific time? The answer is A. Gross domestic product (GDP). Which substance is used in photosynthesis to store energy? The answer is C. Sugar. Which is a mineral that forms through evaporative processes? The answer is A. Halite. Which superhero first appeared in comic books published by DC Comics? The answer is C. Superman. Who was the first person to cross the Atlantic Ocean alone? The answer is B. Charles Lindbergh. Which sequence shows the order of stages in a plant's life cycle? The answer is D. Seed young plant adult plant. What term means fear of accidents? The answer is C. Dystachophobia. In British English, what does a biro refer to? The answer is D. A ballpoint pen. Which of the following provides the best reason for squirrels vacating their forest? The answer is B. The forest is being harvested for lumber. Who developed the two-factor theory of emotional distress? The answer is D. Richard Lazarus. What is the decimal equivalent of the fraction 7/16? The answer is C. 0.125. What is the production of offspring without gamete fusion called? The answer is D. Asexual reproduction. What is the main fabric used for making kimonos? The answer is B. Silk. Who created the famous game Minecraft? The answer is A. Notch. What term is used to describe the most important or best work that a writer or artist has produced? The answer is D. Magnum opus. What attracts the Earth to the Sun? The answer is D. Gravity. Besides being labeled zombies, the creatures featured in the game KF are referred to as which of the following? The answer is B. Specimen. Which technology is used for wireless communication between devices? The answer is B. Wi-Fi. What is the philosophy that values reason and rationality over emotions? The answer is B. Rationalism. What is the main ingredient in paella, a Spanish dish? The answer is D. Rice. At which point are the temperature scales Fahrenheit and Celsius the same? The answer is B. -40. What fashion brand is associated with the trench coat? The answer is D. Burberry. Which tool is used to fasten screws? The answer is C. Screwdriver. Which psychologist proposed the theory of operant conditioning? The answer is C. Skinner. Parenchymal, collenchymal, and sclerenchymal cells are associated with what types of living things?